What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another guide. In this one, I'll be showing you how to get Alohomora. We need to be level 14 and we need to do the Caretakers Lunar Lament quest. I'll be doing this now. I'll mark it and locate it on the map. It's over here in the Grand Staircase at the Grand Staircase Flue Flame. I'll teleport here, head up the stairs, and next to the puzzle door here, we'll wait. Here we go. Gladwin Moon.
Mr. Moon?
Oh, I was hoping to see you again, my young friend. Gladwin Moon, a Hogwarts caretaker, at your service. First, please allow me to apologize if I seemed a bit unsteady when we last met. I'm afraid I had a rather disconcerting encounter. Although I hear your visit to Hogsmeade was even more eventful than mine.
I suppose you could call it eventful. I certainly wasn't expecting a troll attack.
Oh, of course not. And from what I understand, the village was lucky you were there. In fact, my recent visit to Hogsmeade is the reason I was hoping to bump into you. I could use your help with something. Do you see that curious statue over there? Watch what happens when that light changes from day to night.
My goodness, we're waiting a while in this room.
Now, if you wouldn't mind humouring me for a moment, see if you can remove the moon from the statue. Ooh, odd little contraptions, aren't they? It seems the statue vanishes once the moon is removed, which, incidentally, can only be done at night. Why don't you hold on to that one for now, and I'll explain more as we walk. Ever since that fateful day in the village, those curious statues have begun appearing about the castle. A fair number have been strewn around Hogsmeade. Someone, it seems, is trying to torment me. You see, that day in Hogsmeade, I turned a corner and came face to face with a boggart, or shapeshifter, if you will, which takes the form of whatever scares you most. This one took the form of a demiguise.
A demiguise?
Yes! Terrifying creature that can see the future. Wholly unnerving. I encountered one when I was a lad in Korea. Terrible experience. Those statues are demiguises. The moons, I assume, are an uninspired play on my name. Some jackanapes used a boggart to learn my greatest fear and use it against me. I have my suspicion as to the scoundrel or scoundrels responsible. It is my hope that they will slip up and reveal themselves as the statues disappear. That is why I need your help in removing the statues.
Why me?
A couple of reasons, frankly. First, your daring do against those trolls in Hogsmeade has gained you a reputation for fearlessness. Second, as macabre and hideous as a demiguise is, most would find my fear of them unwarranted. You, however, have seen how they affect me. I'm at my wit's end, young friend. I simply can't bring myself to go near them. In fact, I know of two statues right here in the faculty tower. Perhaps you could start simply by removing them, so I can go about my evening duties.
I'd be glad to help you, Mr. Moon.
Oh, I knew I could count on you. First, you know how to cast a disillusionment charm, correct? You'll want to do that before wandering the tower at night. Next, you'll notice that the door is locked. However will you get in? Alohomora, that's how.
But what about curfew?
Curfew? Oh, tosh. I sense you're a bit like me when I was your age. Oh, the school was my oyster. And I took advantage of it. Oh, everyone loved me for it. Oh, those were the days. Now, you'll find one statue in the prefect's bathroom and the other in the hospital wing. Good luck. Oh, and thank you.
There we go. Alohomora. there we go. We'll unlock the door now.
Alohomora.
Now, how do we do this? We've got Q and E and A and D to move the sparks and rotate the dials until both corresponding gears are activated to release the lock. So Q and E is for the outer, A and D is for the inner. All we need to do here is move these around the circle until things start to move. When they do, we'll leave it in that position. So Q and E for the outer, A and D for the inner. There we go. Perfect. Now that both of these are moving, we've successfully unlocked the lock. Heading inside, we'll use the disillusionment charm and continue exploring. There's some practice in here. A quick spin around until things start to move, then we'll move back, and just like that, we've got our way in. There's a chest here, not locked. We would unlock this back here, but we need a higher level, so we'll have to return in the future. Now, heading upstairs, casting Revelio to see authority figures, people we should be avoiding. We'll head further up. There's someone up there. Alright, let's get into here. Nope, it's locked. We can use left and right click to lure unsuspecting enemies. Let's put that person over there. We have a door here. I don't think we should be solving this now. Maybe we can. Let's try it. Some quick math. Right. 11, 0, 1, 2. That's 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is some squid thing. Maybe a tree. Go back over there if you wouldn't mind. And there we go. Right, the next one. Stay over there, would you? That is 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 13. 0 needs to be an owl thing. There we go. Open. Awesome. I wouldn't mind if you stayed over there. Inside of here, we have a chest. We'll grab that. And another chest here. Can't get in here. No, we can. Let's get in here. Into here. Another page. A chest. That one's too high level. Let's go upstairs. Could you not care less? Okay, whatever, bro. We're moving upstairs. Don't know how that happened, but anyways. There's a door here, level 1.
Bathroom.
There we go. Into here.
Revelio.
That doesn't seem to be distracting them, but anyways, around to the back corner here. Yoink, we'll take that. Right, the next one.
I'm not afraid of a goblin rebellion. My mom. I don't think that's what that class is for.
Where next? Upstairs? Upstairs. So the hospital wing we'll head across to next.
Revelio.
Can you go down there?
Revelio.
Grab this. And let's continue. Alright. Door. Level 2. Can't get that. Can we bait them over there? Alright, let's try that again. Let's quickly upgrade our talents for stealth. So sprinting while sneaking. And less ability to detect us. That sounds good. Alright, there we go with our stealth upgraded. Let's try this again. We can now sprint as well. What's down here? I don't think anything useful.
Revelio.
Maybe a back way around?
Fingo.
Ah, interesting. Can we summon that? We can. Alright. We'll go upstairs here.
Revelio.
Get past this prefect. And into here. Grabbing that page seems to have alerted them. Maybe they'll spread out now in a better way. They're red, so they're high alert.
How's that?
Well, all of the teamwork and flying about and the golden snitch. Rather a lot like life.
Right, let's move past them quickly and grab this last one. Sweet.
If there ever is one.
Now we need to
I suppose
return
you should.
to Gladwin. Talking to Gladwin.
Hello, Mr. Moon. I have the moons you asked me to collect.
Oh goodness, you're as fearless as I'd hoped. An excellent start. If we can collect more, it may shed some light on who's behind all this. Of course, I first suspected Peeves. He drove the previous caretaker, rancorous carp, to an early retirement with his intolerable buffoonery. But that does not explain the boggart in Hogsmeade, does it? No. I am determined, with your help, to discover the identity of my tormentor.
It's definitely intriguing. I'd like to help you solve this mystery.
You, my friend, are a gentle person and a scholar, and I have something to offer in exchange for your assistance. Now, remember, the moons are only retrievable at night. Thus, I encourage you to use a disillusionment when necessary.
Understood. I shall keep an eye out.
I appreciate that.
And there we go. After a rather long sneak around, we now have completed the Caretakers Lunar Lament. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.